Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you all how to collect baby's urine. So most of my patients ask me it is very difficult to give urine for examination when it comes to babies because in adults we just give a container and one will collect and give it for examination, whereas in babies it's a little difficult and tricky. So here's a very simple technique called a pediatric urine collection bag. It is available in all the major pharmacies and the surgical stores near you. It roughly costs between 40 to 50 rupees and you can easily procure it even without a prescription. So now let me show you a quick demonstration on this doll so that it is easy to collect the urine sample from a baby. It is always better to collect the baby's urine sample when baby is in a comfortable mood or baby isn't sleeping, so that will be the best time. So what you can do is you can just cut open this urine bag or the urine collection bag carefully. It can collect up to maximum of 100 ml in this bag. So this is very easy. It has an elastic here. So peel it up. So when the baby is lying down, just separate the legs. When the baby is not wearing the diaper, put it here and stick it. And then you can put the diaper. So once the urine gets collected, it will appear like this. Remove the diaper, easily peel this off. So it comes like this. So whatever ml is collected, keep the urine container ready, collection container. You can easily empty this into the container. This is how you can give the urine sample for examination. One thing to remember, never use the urine collection bag again and again. Once you use it, please discard it. So I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Mommy's Happy Home. See you all. Bye-bye.